Hello and welcome. I'm here with Sangah Noona. We're here to talk to you about what to do if you get stuck. So say you're practicing and you don't want to practice anymore. Or you feel like you're not making progress. What should you do?
Play something. Just play something. Whatever it comes out, you know? We feel that. We feel sometimes, I'm tired to practice some certain songs. Then, just play random notes. Lisa, can you do something?
Yeah, I'll do something random. I'm gonna do,
Beautiful.
just 4 notes.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll change the order up.
Ooh.
I got lost. It was so pretty.
It happens.
So what are you doing with this left hand? What are you
Okay,
playing?
I'm playing just 2 chords. You keep going. Basically F. You know F major. Keep going. And B flat. Back to F.
Okay, so that means I can probably play with.
Oh, sure.
So the whole F scale is open. So I could play with any of those notes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going.
It's easy. You just in that F major scale. Not much.
I could do this all day.
Sure.
Arpeggio.
I like it. I like it. And I'm gonna add more tension on my right hand, which is 9th. Ooh. And right hand, 9th, which is C. 9th. Ninth. Ninth. You go higher. I will lower.
We can do that all day.
Oh, seriously, we can do all day.
So, this is what you need to do if you get stuck. Pick a key, pick a scale, pick a few notes.
Yeah, and you know what? Sometimes we feel tired and relaxed. You want to be relaxed. Just like this. We don't have to go bang piano and just go always do something cool stuff. No, just like this, like our feeling. Just relax. Yeah. Pick some notes and just play around.
Have some some fun. So go create some beautiful music. Comment below if you have any questions at all, and we'll see you around.
Get out of the box. What are you waiting for? Just come on. Let's start. I started piano when I was 5 years old, and I don't want to say it, but it's about more than 30 years. If you don't play different genre or different styles, then what are you gonna do? Just play the same song, the same style over and over? Why not try something new? Making music is about telling your story, but if you don't know what you're doing, then you just make sound, not the story. Why are you thinking that you're not enough? You're good enough. You're good enough. Your piano and you, that's it. Just have more conversation. You can try this and that. There's nothing harmful. Just try. This course is for everyone. Even beginners, you definitely can learn something here. I'm gonna help you to play jazz, tango, funk, pop, bossa nova, classical. It's all about freedom. Forget about everything and just play whatever it comes. Just listen and feel. Then you will definitely love more your piano. I'm Sangah Noona. I'm gonna help you play the music you love.